Welcome back, everyone, to Rooted in Design. Today, I'm excited to talk about the role of an architect in investment properties. How can I be of service when you're looking to do your first investment or your next investment in different properties? So, an architect, as some of you know, we do the design, we do feasibility studies, making sure things are done right. So, that's where we come in really as the first step in working with investors. We do viability studies to make sure that the property you're purchasing is viable for what you're looking to do, especially nowadays when there are zoning regulations that are very strict, and you want to make sure if you're spending six figures on a property that you're able to add that ADU, you're able to convert it to mother, daughter, or a two-family, or expand the square footage you want in order to get the return on investment you're looking for. So having that in mind ahead of time before purchasing the property, it's helpful. But also, it allows you to understand, even if, or you already have the property, what your limitations are thereafter. It can also be in regards to the design and appeal. Definitely the curb appeal is important when you're selling a property after you renovate it or if you're trying to rent it. So in that aspect, we come in and put in elements that are on trend, but also are timeless. There are certain elements you definitely want to instill into these renovations, to flips, etc., to be more rentable or sellable. Examples of this are making sure you have a first floor bedroom. I spoke in one of my other videos how that's important as people age. And I've seen that as a trend when people are looking for homes, that they are looking for a bedroom on the first floor, a possibility to add that in, especially if they're multi-generational families moving into that home. Another aspect that you want to think about is having a kitchen that's big enough that people are enticed to want to purchase it. And also knowing that people are now looking for something to call home if you're selling it afterwards, or even if you're renting it, people are looking for a space that they are comfortable in. So you want to add that touch of personality with enough flexibility where they could possibly make it their own as well. And this is definitely different things that we can discuss together and then dive into what we're trying to do and also keep the property contextual to its surroundings. You don't want it to stick out so much that it becomes an eyesore. So it's all layered and something that we can definitely work together with. And as you know, as you're looking for these investment properties, definitely connect with Dream Select Realty. They will be your go-to person to find the right properties in conjunction to what we're looking for together. Hope this was helpful.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.